The creature I met in the burnt-out remains of the gardens looks like a dark one. And it was able to enter my mind, dragging the innermost out of me. But it was also just a baby. And I am sure that it recognized me and got scared. It also left me knocked out for some time. Just enough for me to get captured.
Herr Sturmbannführer, these prisoners were captured at the botanical gardens. Seems like they were looking for something. These two are red. They refuse to speak. The third one looks like a ranger of the order. A mutant the size of a child was caught near him. It was delivered to Reich as well.
I'll deal with it later. This one.
Suspected mutation.
No, I'm normal. See, 2 arms, 2 legs, 10 fingers. Don't you understand? I'm a Hansa citizen.
Shut up!
You're not in Hansa. Here you are a suspect in the distribution of corrupted genes. And this is your trial. If your skull has the correct proportions, you are free to go. If not, you are an abomination. Science, you see.
This is an outrage!
I told you to stay still!
Well?
Let's see... 318 millimeters by... 302.
Let's look it up in the table. Ah, congratulations. You're a mutant.
No, please!
To the garbage chute. A simple question. What was your mission in the gardens?
Go to hell yourself, Nazi! Pooh!
I'm gonna count to 3. 1...
Glory to the Red Line!
2...
Long live Comrade Moskvin!
3.
Please, I'll talk. But away from the other side. They'll kill me if they hear. Okay?
Take this one to the 2nd unit. Usually, Reich does not interfere with the Order's business. But here, we have you, the Reds, and the Freak, all caught in the same net. I do not like it. So talk, or take a bullet to the brain.
Get the officer!
Hey, you!
Here. You keep the knife. Keep it. So, we're with the Spartan order? I'm from the Red Line. Our superiors are not on the best of terms, huh? But I say fuck that. No, fuck that. The grunts stick together, huh? Давай. I see. Ух ты смотри. Remotely controlled block. One thing's for sure. Our only chance of getting out of this alive, work together. Right. Now, what did they say about the garbage chute? Okay, let's get our asses out of this place. Then we'll go our separate ways. Huh? Come. See the pipes? This is their contingency plan. There's a riot or an escape, they just open the valve and turn the prison into one big gas chamber. Sucky. Sure learned from their predecessors.
Shh! We'll go as soon as the elevator leaves. Let's move!
Sweet mother of God, I heard rumors of a concentration camp here, but to see it with my own eyes... Бляха-муха. There's a tunnel on the other side. Okay, I lead, you follow. Now keep it quiet, or they'll gas everyone.
Let's move! Stay out of the light and stick to the shadows. They are your best friend.
Okay, так. Looks like we cleared it. Let's see.
Great.
Блин! Tough luck, didn't even budge, huh? Alright, we can't go through here, that we know. Okay, where do we go now, huh? What if... Hey! Hey! Give me a lift, will you? Get up here! Shh! Duck, now listen. Pretend you're a little fucking mouse. Get down, don't make any sudden moves.
See?
Now let's move.
Two fingers
Carefully,
each
huh?
like claws. You can do nothing but harm, and we will
Freeze!
save innocent lives just by shooting you. No, we're not going to shoot you. Thank you, officer. Thank you.
Fuhrer says
Move!
do good for humans. They deserve nothing more than hanging. And it's a good show as well. I don't quite agree with this.
Führer is infallible.
Of course, the hanged man empties his bowels, and we have to clean it down.
Okay, you take the right one, I the left one. I will distract mine, then you take yours down. Understand? Get to it. Don't start too soon, huh? Let's do it!
How's this? We'll beat him to death with a shovel. It's efficient and elegant.
Are you fucking...
Messy all the same. By the way, you hear that?
Sounds like something fell.
Piece of plaster, perhaps. To them human.
Hey?
Did you make the mess?
No, it wasn't me. I swear to God.
It's going to be over soon anyway.
Just you look at that.
You're lucky. I was afraid you'd...
Hey, do you hear me? Look, there's a ladder. This is the ladder. Get as many of them as you can. We're done anyway.
You ain't gonna do squat.
Open the cells, will you? The controls are up there in the guard room.
Unscrew the light bulb.
Probably not.
What have I done? Spoiling our gene, freak. Eat this! No! Please, don't! Stop! No!
You go to that side. Maybe there you will be able to climb up. Let's meet on the top. Hey, Spartan!
Some food.
Break a leg.
Any food.
As if we'd waste any on you. You're dead meat anyway.
Hey, man! Open the locks! There's a panel in the guard room. In the guard room.
What do you mean you released him? Are you out of your mind?
I don't know. Just looked at him and somehow saw myself. And that trader from Hansa kept pestering me to sell the creature. Said it would be a waste to shoot it, that he'd pay good money, so I just...
Show me the bullets.
Sure, look. I'm ready to share. It's too much for me alone. Just don't tell the Oberscharführer. I got 200...
Why are you walking around here?
It's just that our shift is in.
Then you have no further business here. Off to the barracks with you.
Yes, Herr Oberscharführer.
I thought we had it bad.
Heard anything?
Tell guess as if they hear you.
Probably correct. We're broken.
Don't worry. This case will be ready to them soon enough. I only wish I could see.
Опа! You made it! Молодец! True hero! Now, we need to get them to open the airlock from the other side. One moment. Much better!
Who the hell is so impatient? What kind of joke is this? Come on, quit hiding! Fritz, is that you? Damn it, I'm not gonna open next time! It's not even funny! Yeah! Let's play the fucking hide and seek now! Like freaking kids! Fritz!
Get up. My turn to rest now. You move to the middle.
What?
Let us out! Let us out! There's a control panel up there. You can open all the cells. We can't stay here anymore. Please!
I wanna leave! I want to leave!
The boy, close the entrance! We're out of the inner block, and the fun is just starting, блин! Here, catch this. Nice watch. This little blue indicator, it lights up when you're visible, huh? Alright, there's bound to be more guards further ahead, but they won't be able to use gas here. We can really let ourselves go. Ah, I wish I had a grenade. I'll break through even without it. Let's move here. You take the lower route, I'll take the top. I'm coming. At least we try to do it right. So again, you asked for it. It's just my imagination. Looks like that was all of them. Hear that? Führer himself is delivering a speech. All of them will be at the rally, guards included. Same deal we got back at the red line, believe me. So, what do we have here? I see, I see.
Hey, come here.
Shit, приятель, are you gonna help me, or what? I'll never open the gates alone. You see the guys in those cells? Most of them are disfigured, mutated, arms, legs, heads. Take a look on the other side. There should be a switch just like this one.